In this video, we're going to take a look at sending a broadcast email. So to do that, hover over Messages and go to Send a Broadcast. Now here you're going to be met with some options. So we're going to send an existing email, but if you haven't created the email yet, then you click Create New Email and Send. So in our case, we have the email, so we'll click Send Existing. From there, your first step is to choose the email you want to send. We're ready to invite some users now. So we're going to select that option. We're going to leave this the same, but you can change this if you want to. And then we're going to select who we're going to send this broadcast to. Let's quickly talk about these features here. So what you can do is you can select are in segments or are not in segments, or have these tags or don't have these tags. So I want to target people, for example, who are not in a segment, but who do have a tag. So what we're going to do is we'll do it the other way around. So we'll do have below tags. Once you add that, you have to click plus, and then we're going to select what tags we want. We select the tag, and it loads the number of contacts that we're going to send it to. And then what we're going to do is we're going to, from the drop down are not in segments, we're going to add that. Now we'll choose the segments that we don't want them in. So in this example, we don't want to mail to people who are already an active member. And then the other thing you can do is you can load from templates. So further down the page, once you've set up all your segments and tags, when you come down here, you can save as template. So you see here, save these contacts as a group template. If you click this, and then after you've saved and sent, in future, you'll be able to just come here and select it from this drop-down list, and it'll automatically populate this for you. Then the next feature we have here is an excluded list. Let's say that you have a list of emails of people who you don't want to receive this email. Or let's say that you're promoting an offer for someone and you ask them to send you a list of emails to make sure that you're not promoting to people who are already members or who don't have told you they don't want that training, etc. By clicking this, you can just paste in emails one per line, and then that'll calculate and remove those from the mailing. We don't need to do that, so we're just going to come down here. Now I've already sent test emails of this, and I've already checked the content and everything, so I'm happy with it. You can see it on the different devices, and you can check the spam score. I did this before saving my email, so I know it's good. Once I'm happy with my email, and obviously you can launch the email builder and use that if you prefer. Then we want to decide when we're going to send it, who we're going to send it from, and once again we can launch a test email and then click send. If you want to send from a different email that's not yet set up, you just click this plus, it'll open in a new tab. You can then create a new sender profile, and then once you've saved it, you'll come and you'll click refresh, and then it'll be available from the drop down. And I want to send with this one, I don't need to do that. So I'm just going to click save email and send. Okay, and now it's going to ask me, because the email was edited, do I want to update the currently saved email, or do I want to save it as a new email? So I just want to update the currently saved email, and then it confirms that I'm about to send it to this many contacts, and I click OK. And that's it. So now the email has been saved, and you see it here under send. You'll see the email, and it's currently pending, but you can refresh it and start seeing the sent numbers going up. And it might take a couple of minutes to start going out, and then it'll send out to all those people. So that's how you can successfully send a broadcast, and then come here and check on the stats under sent broadcast. And by clicking on view stats from action once once the sending is completed. You also have the ability to, you see right now we can pause or cancel the sending. And later you'll have the ability to resend to, if you want to resend to those people, and then you can resend it to all the people who haven't opened it, for example, or who haven't clicked, and conversely who have. So that's nice little shortcuts there for you to be aware of as well. Okay, I hope that this was helpful.